Hey guys, so I'm doing something I'm not doing very often, but it's kind of fun to look at cars at dealerships, see what they have in the lot. And I see a GT500 here. So most times these cars are not outside in the back lot. Yeah, it's a black one, beautiful vehicle. If you know, I have my GT350, which I love. It was expensive, but this here is way expensive. So a lot faster on a straight shot, I should say, with the supercharger. But on the track, I dare say my GT350 can keep up with it, and it's just as fun. But of course, if you want a more perfect Shelby, this is it. You know, look at that. Look, there's exhaust pipes there. Man, that's pretty nice, pretty nice. So yeah, I'm not sure what it's doing here. It's pretty dirty. An expensive car. Look it up. Look up the specs. I'm surprised it's out here, the dealership here in Wyoming, just sitting here dirty. It looks like it's been driven quite a bit. You can see little pits and bugs, and yeah, well, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll let you know if I find something else.